Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to Zscaler. First, ensure you have the Zscaler Client Connector application. This essential tool secures your internet traffic and protects your device from threats. You will need to download the correct version for your operating system, whether it is Windows, Mac OS, or a mobile platform. Locate the official download link provided by your organization or Zscaler's website to get started. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file and run it. The installation wizard will guide you through several steps. Simply follow the on-screen prompts, accepting the terms and conditions as necessary. For many systems, you might need administrative privileges to install the software correctly, so be prepared to enter your administrator password if prompted. The process typically takes only a few minutes. After installation, open the Zscaler Client Connector application from your desktop or Applications folder. You will be prompted to log in. Use your organizational credentials, which usually consist of your work email address and password. Once you enter these details, click Log In. The application will then connect to the Zscaler cloud and activate your secure service, which typically takes about 10 to 15 seconds. To confirm your connection, look for the Zscaler Client Connector icon in your system tray or menu bar. A green icon signifies that you are successfully connected and protected by Zscaler. If the icon is yellow or red, there might be an issue, and you should check your network or contact support. With a green status, you can now browse the internet securely, knowing your traffic is being inspected and protected.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.